Hello. Okay, so basically, sorry about a bit of a short one this morning. I just got them really early and I was in a rush for uni, so I just took them and then that was that. But day one, and I have already felt a huge improvement. Like, I don't know whether it was the Alphabrain or the Shroomtech though. That's the only issue. So for the rest of this trial, I think I'm going to take them independent of each other. Or at least I'm going to try that next and see what happens. Because today I took 2 Alphabrains and 2 Shroomtech. And it was awesome. Like, I felt like I could think clearer. I didn't have any physical sensation whatsoever. And I was expecting like almost like a physical sensation. But there wasn't any physical sensation other than the fact like, just felt a lot clearer in your brain. It just literally was like that. There's no other way, better way of describing it other than the fact that it just really was a lot clearer. I didn't, you know, like sometimes when you have like 40 thoughts and you just have so many thoughts and you can't really think of one and you just get confused and you confuse yourself. Well, today that just hasn't happened. I've had the same 40 thoughts, but I've just gone, okay, I'm going to take this thought now. I take this one thought, think about it, come to a solution, a conclusion at least, or yeah, just a little, put it on a hanger if I need to, and it doesn't worry me, and everything was just a lot easier today. In general, I just felt a lot slicker, everything kind of just flew. So yeah, so that's taking 2 of these and 2 of these today, day one. Also, just as a top up, I also take these things, 5-HTP, which is hydroxytryptophan. Basically, it is one of the building blocks for making serotonin, producing serotonin. It also needs to be combined with vitamin B6 and vitamin B12 to actually turn it into serotonin. Alphabrain has vitamin B6 in it. I also take vitamin B12 supplements, and I also take choline, which is just another great thing that aids mental function. And another thing I take, which is called ginkgo biloba, basically biloba, and I that's for memory. It's like a Chinese herb, I think, and it's like for memory. It's really good. I take quite 120 milligrams of that, and whether or not I don't really know how this one works. I mean, I'm normally quite up to speed with how everything works, but I haven't actually done too much research into this other than the fact a really knowledgeable guy suggested it to me and I started taking it. Scripts became easier to learn. I mean, whether or not it's a placebo, I don't really care. Like, I can learn my scripts quicker than I could before. Sweet. So tomorrow, I'm going out tonight, so I'm going to have a pretty heavy night. So tomorrow I think I'm going to try taking 3 Alphabrains. Just going to take 3 in one hit, see what that does. Because I've heard it's pretty good for like hangovers and stuff and feeling a bit groggy in the morning. So we'll see if that works on its own, because that's the one I'm most sceptical about actually, is Alphabrain, from the research I've done. I'm actually most sceptical about Alphabrain. Cordyceps, that's in Shroomtech Sport, I'm so for. It's great. Like, it just literally allows you to, it maximises the usage of oxygen in your body and your brain, and how brilliant is that? Like, so yeah, so therefore you can work longer. And actually, just looking at this now, this actually has vitamin B12 in it. So I could stop buying my vitamin B12 supplements and just take these 3, because this, combined with the vitamin B6 in this and the vitamin B12 in this, will produce serotonin in this. So that's pretty sweet. That's all for today, because I've rambled on and on. But I do recommend, actually. I do recommend them already, but we'll see. Sweet.